Using the video presentation tool in Prezi is awesome. There's two ways to do it. You can either use just your mic or you can use your mic and your camera. I'm going to show you exactly how to get it done, set it up, and also allow access for your microphone permissions and your camera permissions. So let's get into it. A video presentation is a great way of presenting what you've done here on Prezi. So let's go ahead and open one of the presentations. I'm going to open this one over here, and I need to present it. Up on the top right hand side, you can click on present, and there's a few ways you can do this, but we are going to go and click on record as a video. Here we have two options. The first option is narrating your presentation. So I'm going to choose this one to show you what it looks like. So this is what it will look like, and your options are pretty limited. This will now show you on the right hand side all of your frames, and here you can go through each one of these frames manually, and once you click on record, you will be able to literally record just your voice. Now the second option is, let's close this, to go and click on present, click on record as a video, and here we are going to appear alongside our content. So let's go ahead and click on this and click on continue. You'll see here currently on the right hand side, you can choose your camera, and then you can click on turn on camera. And there I am. Okay, so as you can see here, this presentation is a little bit sort of on to one side. So what I want to do is just move my camera and my laptop. Let's go ahead. And what you can do is you can actually move your presentation around so that it can suit your actual camera. So I'm gonna set my presentation up like this. So I'll just sit on one side and I'll be able to present on this side over here, as you can see. That's fantastic. So what you'll do is you are going to click on record in Prezi over here on the right hand side. It's fantastic, and as you're going through your slides, you can actually move them around while you are presenting. So if there is maybe something that is in your way, or if you want to just highlight something, you can move it as you're going. Now let's go ahead and close this. And the last thing that we need to discuss is just making sure that your permissions are set to allow. So you'll see currently, if I go up over here, I have my camera as well as my microphone set to allow. Now you're going to go, if you're using Chrome, the three dots, and you're going to look for settings. And once you're in settings, on the left hand side, you'll look for privacy and security. And here you will look for site settings. So this controls all of the permissions. And here you can see under your site settings, there's permissions. So what we want to do, first of all, is camera. And you want to make sure that you're choosing the camera here, and you want to click on site can ask to use your camera. And you'll go down here and make sure that Prezi is in here. Let's do the same for the microphone. So you'll just go the same in here, make sure you're choosing your microphone. Now I'm using a Samsung, and my Samsung actually does not work properly if I am using it in Chrome. I'm not sure exactly what the problem is, but what I've actually just chosen is the microphone array, which is actually the microphone that's built into my laptop. So when I select this microphone, it actually does work. But if I do not, then it tells me that there's an error on my microphone. And this happens for a few apps. So just make sure that you're playing around with these settings to make sure that you get it correct. And then the next thing that you can do here is just when you go back to this page, just refresh the page and your permissions should work. You should be able to use your microphone as well as your camera. I hope this was helpful.